Hello everyone, welcome back to the day 17 of 100 days loop challenge. In this video we are going to see how to print the numeric patterns. So first I'll execute the code. So it is asking for enter the row till how much you want to print. So I'll give 4 here. So you will see that the numbers from 1 to 4 has been printed, and it is printed in such a way that 1 is printed one time, 2 is printed two times, and 3 has printed thrice, and 4 has printed four times. So we'll see the codes that how it has been printed. I'll explain you the codes. So first we have created a function. So creating a function, we have used the define keyword, that is def keyword, and then we have given the name print underscore numeric underscore pattern, and we have passed a parameter rows. Now we have taken a loop and a for loop, and in that loop we are taking a range starting from 1 and ending till rows plus 1. As we know that range takes three parameters: first where to start from, second where to end, and third the step. Now by default the step is plus 1, so we don't need to give it. Now why we have given here rows plus 1, because as we know that the end is exclusive. So whenever if you want to print till 5, so we have to give here 6. So that's why we want to print till, suppose here, 4. So it will print till 3 if it will not give plus 1. So that's why we have to give here plus 1. Now we have taken a inner loop, and for the inner loop we have taken the range till I. So it will start from 1 and will end till I. And then inside the loop we are just simply printing I, and we have used the end attribute so that the number should be printed into the same line with a space. And now coming out of the inner loop, there is a blank print. Now what does this print will do? This print will terminate the row and give a new line, so that the new row should be printed in a new line. And then when the number of rows will be finished, so it will come out of the loop. And after coming out of the loop, we have taken a variable that is rows, and in the rows we have taken input from the user, and we have prompted enter the row till how much we want to print, and we want this input into integer. That's why we have used the integer function here. And then we have simply called our function by giving its name followed by the parenthesis, and then we have given the argument rows inside our function name. And then when we'll call it, you will see that when we'll write 4, it will print till 5, and each number will be printed that much time that the number is. Suppose it is 1, so it will print 1 times. It is 5, so it will print 5 times. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video.